The benefits of 10 minutes jump rope per day. When was the last time you used a jump or skipping rope? Often we are afraid to pick a jump rope at the gym because we don't want to look silly bouncing up and down. Just 10 minutes of jump rope has so many amazing health benefits. 10 minutes of jump rope per day can achieve the equivalent cardiovascular benefits to that of 30-minute jog. Studies have shown that including 10 minutes of jump rope a day has helped many to enhance their coordination, balance, and power levels. It can also help improve your overall well-being. Treadmills or elliptical machines can become boring, but if you find yourself searching for a fun way to get fit, then jump rope is the perfect choice. You could complete the quick 10-minute exercise on your break at the office or during your lunch even. Skipping a rope can shape quite a few muscle groups. In a 10-minute jump rope exercise, these are the primary muscles required, so this exercise will naturally work them and give you killer calves you may desire. Your quads, glutes, and hamstrings are all activated with every hop, jump and skip. This would work on the muscles of your lower body with double power. Your back and shoulder muscles also stay in good form if you jump regularly for just 10 minutes per day. Just 10 minutes of jumping rope can also give you a ripped core. This itself is probably one of the most underrated benefits of a jump rope. You could even take your 10 minutes jump rope workout to the next level and try weighted ropes to engage more muscle groups with each swing. Were you aware that an average person with a medium fitness level can roughly jump up to 70 times a minute? A good 10-minute skip can burn up to 150 to 200 calories. Based on this fact alone, isn't skipping an awesome way of burning calories? If you have been a sincere runner for a while, our next fact may make you convert to jump rope instead. Skipping for an hour can burn up to 720 calories, which is equivalent to a 6-mile run, 6 miles. On top of this, if you then increase the intensity, you will be able to burn up to 1000 calories an hour. Jump rope versus running. If the above fact has perked your interest, check out this post which we discuss further why skipping rope could help you lose weight faster than running. We know no two people will burn the same number of calories after doing the same exercise for 10 minutes. Factors like weight, body metabolism, sleep deprivation, and diet have a major impact on calorie burning. However, the fact remains that 10 minutes jumping rope can burn more calories than a 30-minute jog. But there are just so many athletes, especially boxers, using this exercise to stay agile. Skipping is a multi-dimensional exercise. In a 10-minute skip, a lot goes on even if your brain is not paying attention to those actual movements. A recent study showed that including 10 minutes of jump rope during training, a few soccer players helped to enhance their coordination, balance, and power levels. 10 minutes of skipping can also make you light on your feet. Many football, basketball, volleyball, and hockey players also make it a point to come back to a 10-minute skipping workout for that amazing footwork. Just 10 minutes jump rope every day is exceptionally good for your heart, mainly to keep it pumping as it should. If you are a beginner, 150 minutes of moderate intensity workout for a week will be useful. But did you know that jumping rope is considered a vigorous intensity activity? You will therefore get a benefit similar to 2 minutes of moderate intensity exercise in just 1 minute of skipping. With only 10 minutes of jump rope a day, 5 times a week, you can reverse some dreadful heart conditions. According to a recent study, 10 minutes of jumping rope gave the equivalent cardiovascular benefits to that of 30-minute jog. If like me, I bet you never thought jump rope could be the answer to those tight clothes that no longer fit you comfortably. Completing just 10 minutes jump rope per day can be a complete exercise in itself. Jumping rope is one such activity. People with weak bones or osteoporosis should especially try this form of exercising. That might sound paradoxical, but surprisingly, jump rope exerts mild to moderate pressure on these bones to strengthen them from within. Beautiful, healthy skin can be a reality for all of us with a simple 10-minute fun jump. Skipping can make you sweat a lot, especially if you're a beginner. A 10-minute daily jump rope exercise can also keep your skin soft, supple, and hydrated. The benefits of a jump rope extend beyond the physical aspects. 10 minutes of jump rope is a terrific mood elevator. Regular physical activity like jumping rope can give you good quality sleep, increase mental sharpness, increase your productivity at work, and leave you with a greater ability to cope with stress.